All right, all right, all right. What do we got going on today?
Skydiving.
Skydiving, that explains those fancy suits you're wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
He graduated with his master's last week.
It's a master celebration jumps. Guess what? That is a fantastic reason to go skydiving, sounds like to me. Looks like you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go have some fun. Get
Absolutely.
it. Yeah. All right, man, you just went skydiving. Tell me, how are you feeling?
Woo!
Yeah, is it something you'll ever do again?
Maybe.
Yeah? What was your favorite part? What was your favorite part?
The scariest, getting out.
Yeah?
Oh, but doing the rush and driving it, and it's just so amazing.
Oh man, you absolutely did so good.
I love
Dude, thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Yes!
Yeah!